Alright, so this is lesson number 22, and in lesson number 22 we're going to be talking about calculating speed with our ordered pair XY components. So that's what we're going to talk about first here. Now, what we need to make sure that we set up is a graph. So all graphs will have a title, so we're going to call this the speed of our bowling ball. Right, and that way we know what we're talking about. And the next thing is we want to talk about our x-axis down here. It's going to be time. Always use a variable, label it, make sure it's clear. So we're going to talk about time in seconds, and we're just going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 seconds. That'll work for right now. And then on the x-axis, on the y-axis, we're going to have our distance. Our distance is just going to be meters. Alright, so we have our distance in meters. We're going to have some components here. We're going to call it 5, 10, 15, 20, and 25. So we have meters along our y-axis. We have time across our x-axis. So let's go ahead and make up some data. And so we're going to do, let's say at 2 seconds, we went 5 meters, and then at 4 seconds we went 10 meters. So let's go ahead and plot that data, and then we're going to do our line that connects our data. And let's go back and try to figure out our XY component. So let's just pick a spot. We'll just start with this one right here. So our ordered pair for this would be 4, 10. Now, one of the things I wanted to go back over was our speed equals distance divided by time. Well, that's awfully convenient. If you look at our ordered pair, all we have to do to figure that out is take where our comma is, go up, and make our box. So inside of our box we have 10, and outside we have 4. So now all we have to do is just our math to complete this problem. So let's see, 10 and 4, that's going to go into that 2 times, which is going to leave us a remainder of 2. We're going to bring down our 0, put in our decimal point. 4 goes into 25 times, so 5 times 4 is 20. Now we have a remainder of 0. So we know that our speed is going to be 2.5 meters per second. So that's just some easy calculations there. Remember, if you take your x and y components of your coordinate grid, of your location for your data point, and you just put the y in the box, you have already set up your math formula. It's very easy to follow, and hopefully that will lead you to the correct answer for your speed. Remember, we're talking about speed and how to calculate speed using our XY components from a graph. So that's the end of lesson 22.